Today I will be showing how to set up Kali VM in a virtualized environment. And moving forward, I look to start demonstrating and walking through try-hack-me rooms, hack-the-box machines, and other CTF problems. So if you're interested and looking to learn more about the cybersecurity industry, or just want to try something out different, please watch this video. Again, if you've already have an environment set up, you can skip this video, and if you just want to follow along on Try Hack Me boxes, you can go to that playlist directly. So first, we want to get set up on a virtualized environment. There's two options for this, VMware and VirtualBox. I will be doing VMware Workstation. So first, we will Google VMware Workstation Player, click the first link right there, and we can go down and we see two downloads for Linux and Windows. I'm running Windows, so go ahead and download that, and I have already downloaded this VM Player exe. Just go run through the installation steps, and once you have that installed, it will pop up in a window like this, or you may have to search for it. VMware Workstation 16 right there. And then we can go ahead and create our new VM. So create virtual machine. And then we need to select an ISO. But first, before we do that, we need to actually download the ISO. So now we can go to Kali Linux download and click on this first link right here. So these are pre-built, this virtual machines right here are pre-built images, and it's fast installs. However, we are going to want to do a ISO. So we'll go to the live boot option, and I went ahead and downloaded the 3.5 gig version, the point release live image. And again, I've already downloaded that, and the ISO is right here. So now, back to this window, we can browse, Kali 22, and we have our ISO image right here. So I will go ahead and select open, and it says could not detect what operating system. That's fine, we will select that later. And Kali Linux is a Debian variant of Unix, so we will go ahead and select Debian 10 64-bit. Go ahead, click next. Change the name convention right here to be Kali 2022. And I'll set this up for Try Hack Me. 20 gigs is fine. This is utilizing our host storage. So if you don't have storage left on your drive, you may need to clear some up. But we'll go ahead and click next. And we can review some options. The network adapter, we will be using NAT. That way we can reach out to the internet and connect to Try Hack Me and other web pages that we may need resources from. So we'll go ahead and click finish. And now it populates a new VM, which we can go ahead down here and click the play button. And now we are at the BIOS, the live menu. So we can go ahead and click in, and we can use our arrow keys here to interact with it. We will just go ahead and click Live System 64, AMD 64, and hit Enter, and let that run. And we can actually go ahead and hit. If you want to get your mouse back, you can do Control Alt at the same time, and it'll give your mouse breakout, and then you can go ahead and maximize, and we can click back in. So we will let this go ahead and boot up. I will pause the video shortly, and when it comes back, I'll just restart it. Okay, so it has now started up. So the first thing I like to do is to change the password of the system. So right click, open terminal here, or we can go ahead and click on this Kali image right here and do terminal emulator. So we can see right now we are the Kali user. And I'm going to go ahead and, does this box have, okay, yeah, so it has default sudo su. So, so changing the password, I believe the default on the website was Kali. So Kali is the default password, and now change it to a password for your liking that you will remember. Okay, perfect. And now that we have that done, we are completely in a Kali virtual machine on our host system, and we can go ahead and start utilizing the tools on Kali Linux to run through problems on Try Hack Me. Thanks for following along on the install, and hope to see you following along with the Try Hack Me room. Thanks, and have a great day.